बहुत अच्छी। मैं सब कुछ। और तेरे होने वाले पति को मुबारक तू।
कौन है मेरा होने वाला पति?
अरे हो जाएगा,
अभी तो बहुत वक्त है दादी।
क्या बात है, मेरे मस्ते सब विदा हो जाओ।
बिल्कुल, आप पक्का हो गए मेरी शादी पे और मेरे बच्चों के पैदा होने पे भी। आप ही रखोगे मेरे पहले बच्चे का नाम।
ये तो मुश्किल है।
अच्छा,
मैं सुनकर कुछ कह नहीं, लेकिन वैसे तेरे को अफीसा दे सकती।
अच्छा।
भगवान बहुत अच्छा चाहे तेरे लिए मिलेगा, सब कुछ अच्छा। तू अच्छी बनी रहेगी तो सब कुछ अच्छा होगा। तेरे पैर पड़ते ही चारों तरफ सब कुछ होगा।
Dear Sana, I am very happy to join you on your special day, that is your birthday, through this video message. I still remember vividly when you came to my class as a child who was inquisitive but calm and quiet. After working with you for just 1 month, I could make out straight away that you have got more iron in your blood than it shows on surface. Your work was excellent. Your drawings, I still remember, were always displayed on the display board outside the class, and everyone appreciated it. Later on also, your performance in the school was appreciated by all the teachers, and I'm really proud of you. You have got a special place in my heart, and that always will be. I wish you all the very best on your birthday, good health, happiness, and a great year ahead. Celebrate your special day happily with your family, and do send me the pictures also. My blessings and best wishes, and I'm sure you are going to do still better in your life. We'll be in touch. Love you.
हेलो सना, हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा। बहुत 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 मुबारक हो। खूब सारी खुशियाँ लो, खूब इन्जॉय करो। वैसे मेरे हिसाब से हमने आज बहुत सारी बातें करी हैं। बर्थडे तो एक सिर्फ नाम की डेट है। हाँ, आप जैसे अच्छे लोग तो रोज़ बर्थडे मनाते हैं। खूब सारा एंजॉय करो, परिवार के साथ बर्थडे मनाओ, खुश रहो। गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा। मेरी और ताई की तरफ से बहुत 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 मुबारक हो। ओमकार को भी, आपको भी, फैमिली को भी। गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा। गॉड ब्लेस।
Wish you a very happy birthday to my dear star child Sana. I am really missing वो बच्चा जो कि मम्मी पापा के बीच में सोने वाला और बहनों के कहने के अनुसार पत्थर बन जाने वाला बच्चा और गोल्फ को कैंसिल बनाने वाला बच्चा। मैं पूरी तरह मिस कर रहा हूँ। आई होप कि जल्दी से जल्दी सना तू आएगी। जिस बच्चे का कद स्ट्रेस की वजह से छोटा रह गया था, उसके ऊंचे इरादे व सोच को मैं प्रणाम करता हूँ। रियली माय डार्लिंग डियर सना, हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन।
हेलो सना, हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा। बड़ा अजीब लग रहा है तेरे को। बहुत लंबे लंबे लेटर्स लिखती रही हूँ बर्थडेज पे। तुझे पता ही है लिखने का कितना शौक है मुझे। बट तू speak is slightly difficult. मैं कभी भी नहीं भूल सकती. You were such a cute 3.5 kg cute baby, chubby baby. Yes, I remember I wanted a son, but I never knew what I was getting from God. A star child, my most wonderful child. Sana, you know, we are so alike, but I must tell you that you have incredibly surpassed me in every way, in every achievement, in every accomplishment you have already done in your very youth. And I really am always amazed at your intelligence and your ability to always create something new. Maybe that's why you are where you are today. I remember your childhood. There were achievements after achievements. You would win competitions, and you would so humbly and modestly just mention a trophy, a prize. And that's the beauty, your humility, your groundedness. And I'm glad and I thank God that you till date you have kept it. And I'm sure in life also you'll keep these things very close to your heart, and they are. It's in your value system. In spite of your demanding career, you have worked for humanitarian causes. You have chosen to serve your community, and I'm so happy about it. I love the way you listen to people with so much respect and devotion that everyone you meet feels so nice and warm. And I feel that you are such a positive force in this crazy world. You give me hope for a better world tomorrow. Yes, I am a lucky mom. Yes, Sana, you are my favorite child. And I am blessed with most wonderful daughters. God bless you always with His grace, and may you always remain the way you are. We miss you.
Hi Sana, wish you a very, 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 very happy birthday. Just stay the same as you are. Such a noble sweetheart, helping everybody, each and every person. So compassionate, real, minimalistic. लोग तो अब सीख रहे हैं कोरोना में आके कि कम चीज़ों से भी गुजारा हो सकता है. But our Sana always knew this. And a true, what should I say? You know me. But actually, we are all proud of you. Really. बहुत 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 सक्सेस मिले तुम्हें ज़िंदगी में. खुश रहो और अच्छे अच्छे काम करो. जैसे अभी इतने लोगों को हेल्प कर रहे हो. I wish your freedom movement becomes more successful. बहुत लोगों को काम दिलाओ, especially women. Do for them, uplift them, try to educate them. And God is always with you. Best wishes, dear. A very happy birthday once again. Try to enjoy in this lockdown.
Sana. Happy birthday, Sana.
Happy birthday, Sana. How are you? Enjoying your lockdown birthday? Good, good. Chal, Sana, all of us, we've always looked up to you. and I seriously wish both my girls they be as focused, as intelligent, and as hardworking as Sana Bua is. Not leaving apart the moral science values. इतना अच्छा नहीं होना चाहिए. The world is not so good as Sana. The world might not reciprocate what Sana does for the world. Still, what you're doing is too good. Very difficult to do what Sana is doing. Enjoy your birthday. Have a great life, great year, and hope to get out of the lockdown as soon as possible.
And blessed with a baby soon.
नहीं, triplets. Twins भी नहीं, triplets. चल. Bye, bye, bye.
Happy birthday. Bye.
Hi, Sana. I know I'm looking bad, but that is what lockdown has done to me. But because we are short on time, I thought I'll quickly record this video and wish you a very happy birthday. I miss you so much, and you know, I just can't even express how much I love you. But because it's your birthday, I think I'll say some nice things about you. I guess that's what we do. So I think the best thing about you is, and the worst thing about you is the same, that you're so naive and you have such a positive outlook to the world. I think that is your biggest strength and sometimes your weakness. But that is something I love about you, so you don't need to change a single thing. Like, don't change that about yourself, and or anything for that matter. You're such an amazing human being and such an amazing sister and a daughter, and I think we are lucky to have you in our life. So I wouldn't, like, you know, pick any one thing and tell you that work on this or work on that, because I think it's a stupid concept and you should not listen to other people anyways, whoever it is. But you definitely don't need to change anything about yourself. Please stop calling yourself Phoebe though, because you're way better than she is. There is no comparison. So anyways, I just wanted to say this one thing to you and wish you a very happy birthday and tell you that we all love you and we all miss you, and you know, everything you do or say, I might not react so well to it sometimes, but I know that you're saying it out of love, so please continue doing that. Chalo, happy birthday.
Hi Sana, how are you? I am here to wish you a very happy birthday, and also I'm missing you, so I'm standing near the plants in my balcony because I think you love plants more than any of the others amongst us, after mom of course. And also I really wish that you would be happy and get whatever you want this year. And you know, one thing I really miss about you and love about you is that you always listen to everyone as if what they're saying is the most important thing ever. And that's also the most irritating thing about you, because a lot of people don't deserve that kind of attention, but you know, that makes you you. So I love you and happy birthday.
This is a message for Sana. The moment I started doing this, I realized how horrible I am at this, because there's a reason I don't do video calls, because I suck at them. And but anyway, it's only for Sana that I've also attempted to untie my hair just to look presentable for this video, because it might be seen by more than just one person. Anywho, I've been asked to tell the thing that I miss the most about Sana. The thing I remember is that as kids, she was for me, she was always someone I looked up to secretly, because I don't know, maybe you have these issues and complexes and insecurities that you don't talk about these things out loud, which is weird. So she was somebody who was aspirational and inspirational and wise. So yeah, she was always someone I looked up to for sure. And the thing that I remember the most about her, which is so relevant right now, is her incessant need to wash hands all the time, before eating, after eating. I don't remember if she even took a pause while eating and went to wash her hands, because she was pretty capable of doing that. Or eating and went to wash her hands, because she was pretty capable of doing that. Always washing her hands. And I don't know, maybe she had a foresight and she saw this coming. And yeah, so yes, I think she would have taught all of us how to wash our hands properly and been useful now. But anywho, that is the thing off the top of my head that I could think of. There are many other things that I miss about her, which obviously I cannot remember right now because I'm under this pressure of making this video and I am super awkward, so I don't want to extend this video for any longer. I just want to wish Sana a very happy birthday and just be safe, and I love you a lot. Always have. You're always gonna be my favorite person in the family. And yeah, and just take care of yourself and Omkar and everybody. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Sana. Happy 31st birthday. I hope you're having fun in the lockdown. Okay, that was a lie. The thing I miss the most about you is someone laughing at my jokes all the time, so that I don't get to know how I'm actually funny or not. Yep, that's it. I just need someone to laugh at my jokes.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मनाज, मैंने आपका फेवरेट येलो कलर पहनना है।
नारू हैप्पी करियो। हैप्पी, एक और बार हैप्पी कर दे। हैप्पी।